Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign in to your existing account on fortune.com. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in fortune.com and press enter. This will then take you into the official Fortune website. Now from the website, in order to log into your account, just click on the sign in button at the top right corner and then you will end up on the login portal. Now if you used your Facebook, your Google or your LinkedIn account to create your account in the first place, then you can click on the respective buttons to proceed with signing in. And if you did it the old-fashioned way, then just go ahead and enter your email address and click on the next button. You will then be asked to enter your password. Just type in your account password and click on the sign in button, and now you will be logged into your account on fortune.com. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on fortune.com. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.